In the death by suicide of a 17-year-old girl in Tamil Nadu, the Madurai bench of the Madras High Court has reserved its orders without giving any specific dates in a petition filed by the girl's parents seeking a CBCID or a CBI probe. The BJP calls this death by suicide triggered by what they call forced conversion by the school management, and in fact the BJP has also formed a 4-member committee asking it to visit the parents and also to file a report to the party. Public prosecutor representing the government told the court that this particular controversial video which led to these allegations, they say, is motivated. If at all the aim of that person is to bring justice to the minor girl, he ought to have released it on the day it was filmed, which they say could be on the 16th or 17th of this month. But the video was released only after the girl died, and they say the motive appears to be to trigger communal tension in the state, and they've told the court that investigation is on the right track in a transparent way. Meanwhile, the school management also has impleaded itself in this particular case, and they've told the court that the 160-year-old school has never had this kind of a complaint, and they have denied these reports, calling it as being politicized now. And they've also told the court that much of this last 2 years during the pandemic, the girl was largely with her parents at home, and they've also told the court that the girl had suffered what they call ill treatment by her stepmother, and they've given some information which they do not want to be in the public domain, but in a sealed cover to the court, saying that they're giving it only for the information and knowledge of the court. Meanwhile, the villagers in that particular area have also asked the collector not to allow any other people to meet them or to interview them, saying that right now they are under pressure to issue what they call false statements, saying that children faced forced conversion attempt in that particular school. In fact, 2 videos have emerged so far. In the first video, the girl had said that the warden, who has been arrested now, had asked her if she would convert to Christianity in the presence of her parents, and they've said no. For a specific question whether she was targeted just because she had refused to convert herself, she says maybe. But in another video which came just a day before, the girl clearly says that she consumed poison because she felt she was not able to concentrate in her studies because the warden gave her lots of work, including doing accounts work, and she was afraid her marks could go down, and that's why she had consumed poison, which led to her death ultimately. The ruling DMK has not commented on this so far, but the police initially said either during the filing of the FIR or during the deposition before the magistrate or during the girl's dying declaration, the girl nor her parents had alleged conversion, and now they say they've expanded the investigation. They are speaking to both present and past students besides teachers, and they're also looking at the records to investigate into the present allegations of forced conversion. In Chennai with Suresh, Sam Daniel, Find the TV.